Welcome to this video where you will learn how to use which and that correctly in work emails. Relative pronouns are words which link one part of a sentence with another. The second part of the sentence generally gives more information about the noun used in the first part of the sentence. Who, which, and that are relative pronouns. Let us look at a few examples to understand the concept. Who is generally used for people. For example, Tina is the girl who plays the guitar. The word who is used to talk about Tina in the first part of the sentence. Or, Ram is the branch manager who helps us regularly. Who refers to Ram in the first part of the sentence. Which is generally used for things. For example, she is renovating her house, which she bought last year. Or, this is the plan which you should invest in. Which and that can be used interchangeably. Sometimes, relative pronouns are used to add more information about a noun. For example, the branch manager who is old lost his job. Or, this investment which Raj made is profitable. Who is old and which Raj made are known as relative clauses. They describe the noun and usually begin with a relative pronoun like who, which, or that. The sentence reads correctly if you remove the relative clause. For example, the branch manager lost his job, or this investment is profitable. Use whose to explain that something belongs to someone. It is usually used in questions. Whose is the possessive form of who. For example, whose car is this? This is Jay, whose car is parked outside the branch. Whose should not be confused with whose. Whose is the contracted form of who is. For example, who is that man can also be written as who's that man. We hope you have now understood how to use these words correctly in work emails.